If you're upgrading a bathroom or powder room, this LED mirror has been one of our very favorite swaps. This is the Amorho 48x36 LED mirror, and it has both front lighting and a backlight that glows, so it feels bright and elevated without being harsh. You get 3 color temperatures, warm, neutral, and daylight, and the brightness is fully dimmable, so you can set it exactly how you like for the makeup or skincare or getting ready in the morning. It also has a memory function, so it turns back on to the same settings you used last time. No constant readjusting. And if your bathroom gets steamy, there's an anti-fog feature that helps keep the mirror clean and clearer. We've had ours for about 5 years now, and it's been solid. 0 issues with us. As an Amazon influencer, I may earn a small commission when you shop through my link, at no additional cost to you. I truly appreciate your support. Consistency is my standard.